I invite you to allow your body to just relax. Let go of any tension as you sit there in the chair. As you breathe in all that fresh energy of love that's around you. And as you breathe out, release anything that no longer serves you. When I first read the daily word for today, I had a song going through my head from Glenn Campbell, and it says, "Let me be a little kinder. Let me be a little blinder to the faults of those around me. Let me praise a little more. Let me be, when I am weary, just a little bit more cheery. Think a little more of others and a little less of me." Our life is a pathway, and in front of you is a path. If you can see it in your mind, see the twists and turns of your path. And here's the thing, our heart can lead the way down that path. So if you can imagine your heart as a green glowing ball of light, it's just ahead of you on that path. It's the heart of kindness. And today, we're going to let kindness lead the way. Your heart, glowing, full, will lead the way. Let it lead you and guide you on that path. And as we focus on that idea in the silence for a few moments, allow Spirit to bring to you people in your mind and extend that loving kindness straight from your heart to theirs. And as we breathe in the energy of love and kindness all around us, know that I see you. I see your kind heart. I see it in this community. Others see it too. Let's let that kind heart lead the way. And so it is.